new to us, our Bluebird minibus, and it's on school property. Thanks to many donors, we purchased it, it's in use, and it's working out great. We've done lots of little things to it, and it's, wow, really fantastic. So you've been in here before, but not since it's been all fixed up. Here's our driver's seat, and as promised, we have Bible verses around the perimeter of the bus. And I'll read them off real quick. At least the reference. Colossians 3:17, Romans 10:9 and 10, Joshua 1:9, Psalm 118:24, Philippians 4:13, Mark 10:14, Isaiah 40:31, Ephesians 2:6 and 7, Psalm 34:4, Proverbs 3:5 and 6, Luke 10:27, Psalm 118:28 to 29, Proverbs 2:6, and John 3:16. Here's our kids about ready to get on the bus. Come on up.
Abraham, Carlos, Yoli,
Ángela, Diana, Uriel, Tristan, Abel, Jaciel, Miguel, Juan,
Francisco,
Valeria,
Vianey,
Melanie, José, Ian, Raúl.
Okay, some of our little kids forgot their names, but here's the group. We're packed in.